In this video, we'll cover how to use your project dashboard for your team's project work within SciNote. From the left-hand panel from any SciNote page, you can access projects by clicking on Projects. These projects, as a reminder, are specific to the current team workspace you're in within SciNote. To access projects of another team, use the team toggle in the upper middle of the SciNote platform and switch to another team to access that team's projects. From the projects page and this dashboard, you can see all of the project work to which you're assigned and have access, including projects that are within folder structures. From this dashboard, you can click into the projects by clicking on their names, or you can first filter and sort through the projects you see on this screen. To sort by a column, click on the column to change the sort from ascending to descending for project name, ID, or the created on or updated on dates. Additionally, you can use the filtering on this page to look for specific projects that contain certain key text, terms, and phrases, specific start dates within a certain time frame, and projects for which access is restricted to certain members within your account. You can also choose to filter looking within different folder structures or not. As a reminder, these tables and project dashboard can also be configured to your liking, so feel free to reconfigure the columns by dragging and dropping them, and this will only impact the way that you personally see this table. No other users will be impacted. You can also use the Manage Columns function to pin certain columns that are most important to your work, or to hide columns that you no longer need. As a reminder, you can reset to the default by clicking Reset Default here.